What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. It passed a lot of time since I post my last video. In this video I want to present another digital tool. The name of the tool is Wondershare Filmora. It's a simple video editor tool that can help us to create video content. So if you haven't discovered how, make sure you stay to the end of this video. So let's get started. Wondershare Filmora can be easily installed in devices like Windows and Mac. To create a video, you have to click the plus button. For this example, I have already installed a video. To add the video in the editing tool, click the plus button. And the video is ready. Let's run the video. As you can see, our video is ready to be edited. If you are not happy with this video, the software provides some stock media videos that we can be used. For example, for this example, I will choose this video. Click. We wait till the video will download. Once the video is downloaded, we click plus button. And our video is ready. The first thing that we can do to this video is to add an audio background. Here the software has provided some different songs. I'll choose this one. We wait a few seconds. The video is ready and you click the plus button. Let's play the video. As you can see, our video has a audio background. We can add an introduction text using click on titles. Let's see, we want to add at the beginning of the video. Just click plus button. We can choose the length of and we write welcome to my video. As you can see, the video is white and we cannot make distinguish with a background. For this we can change the font of the text. We have also an advanced setting. We can add different effects. We can change the opacity. We can make it blur. Once we decided with what settings to go, we click apply and we play the video again. After the video is the text is added, the next thing that we can do is to add different transitions elements. Here the software provides some interesting transition effects. I will go for erase. Click. We wait a few seconds till the transition effects are downloaded. So now we would add the transition effects in our video. And let's play the video. As you can see, the transition appear on the video. We can add different effects. Here the software provides some different effects that can add. Let's see, we want to add this effect. We click and wait till the effects are downloaded. Once the effects are downloaded, we click the plus button. And our effects are added to the video. Let's play the video to see what happened. And last but not least, we can add different stickers like please subscribe, thanks for watching. For this example, I will add a thanks for watching at the end of this video. Again, with the download of the effect. Once the effect is downloaded, we click plus button. We play the video again. As you can see, our video has a thanks for watching at the end of this video. Apart the feature that I have already presented, Wondershare Filmora has many other important features like instant mode, screen recorder, AI text to video, AI text-based editing, silence detection, AI copywriting, instant cutter, auto reframe, auto beat sync, and avatar presentations. I will try to explain all one by one. The first feature is instant mode. Mode feature is a collection of free video templates. Here you can find video themes, different video themes like business, travel, family, holiday, style, vlog, slideshow, introduction, fashion, mood, a bit romantic, happy. We can choose one of the videos that we like. If you click, for example, this video, we can use this video. Just click use this template and you can use this video like an introduction to our video. If you not happy with this video, you can go for another type of video like this one, for example, a classic vlog style video introduction. click use this sample and you can use this introduction video. Screen record is another feature of this software. With this feature, you can record your screen. For example, if you want to create a tutorial video with your work and show your work to other people, you can use screen record. The next feature is one that I like most. For example, if you want to create with a text a video, if for example the English is not your primary language, with this feature you can create a proper video in English. To access the options, just click AI text to video. Once you get in the editing option, you add the text that you want to convert into video. For this example, I have already selected the text. I paste the text. From here, you can select the languages that you want the video to be converted. For this example, I will select English. You also can select the video ratio 16:9 or 9:16. For this example, I will select 16:9. And also you have plenty of type of voice that you can select. For example, this video I will select Sonia. And the last thing, just click text to video and you wait. Next feature is AI copywriting. For example, if you are struggling to find different topics for your digital content, this tool can help you a lot. Here are some examples of topics that AI can generate it, starting from YouTube video ideas, video oral script, knowledge introduction article, video chapter titles, YouTube video titles, video YouTube description. For this example, I will select YouTube video ideas. And the topic it will be Wondershare Filmora video editing tool. We click generate. And our AI generating system will give us some example of a title that you can use. Starting with Ultimate Filmora tutorial, Unveiling Filmora hidden features, Mastering Filmora special effects, creating stunning visual of your videos. Here are some example of topics that you can create. And now the last features of this video editing tool. Instant Cutter is the feature that helps us to trim videos, Auto Reframe, Auto Beta Sync, and the last is Avatar Presentation, is a feature that helps us to create different video avatars. To access this feature, you need to click on it. Once you are in the editing mode, you need to click Fine Calibration to improve the motion tracking accuracy. So I'm going to click Fine Calibration, wait a few seconds, and the calibration is done. From here, we can select different types of avatar profile. For this example, I will select this one. We wait a few seconds, and our avatar is ready. We can change the background. We're gonna use this one. Now our avatar is ready. To record the video, we click Start Recording. Wait a few seconds and we can record our video. Once the video is ready, we click Stop Recording, we save it, and our video is ready. We play the video, record our video, and we see that we have a video that is already ready. That was for today. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions and suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Bye and see you in the next video.